and so I'm going to describe this today, okay? The 19th Sphenic number. Sphenic number is that it's a triprime. It's a triprime that has distinct prime factors. The smallest Sphenic number in number theory is 30, okay? And 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. 8 is a triprime, but it's not a sphenic prime because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Has 3 factors, but those factors are repeating. They're not unique. Okay? In sphenic number, the numbers have to be unique. So it's 2, 3, 5. Okay? 42 is a sphenic number. It's 2 times 3 times 7. Okay? So here, the 90th sphenic prime is 195. Okay? I mean, this is amazing. Okay, when he tells you over this 19, and he tells you he counted the number of all things, obviously God created the number. So this one was supposed to be the 19 Sphenic number, 195. But 195 is the numerical value of K.H.Y.A.S in Surah 19. Isn't that amazing? Okay. So, 11807 is the 195th good prime, and 11807 is also 548th long prime, but 548th additive prime is 9127. Can you imagine that? That the K.H.Y.A.S in Surah 19 actually generates 9 having 127 verses. 11807 is the 952nd lonely prime, but 790th composite actually happens to be 952. And 790 is the verse, 790th verse containing the word God is 9127. But also 790 in base 19 is 2698 in base 10. 2698 is the total frequency of the word God is the entire Quran. 790th lonely prime is 9619, and Surah 96 has 19 verses. Remember now, 96 is the first surah that was revealed and has 19 verses. We know that. But this is the reason it has 19 verses. I'm giving you the reason why. I'm not counting stuff in there. I'm telling you why it has 96, has 19 verses. I'm telling you why 9 has 127 verses. I'm telling you why K.H.Y.A.S in chapter 19 adds up to 195. This is what I'm telling you. These are not second grade math. Okay? We're not counting stuff anymore. Okay? This is God's expansion. Okay. 11807 is actually the 14th, 15th prime. But now this number is very interesting. I can get to this number from different ways. And till now, I didn't know why 1, 4, and 15 are the indices of 2, 7, and 47. 2 times 7 times 47 is 658, but 658 composite is 798, and 790 is the sum of frequency of K.H.Y.A.S in Surah 19. Remember, we started with the numerical value of K.H.Y.A.S, and then we ended up with the number of those in that Surah 19. Through the 195th good prime. See that? Right here, in this bullet right here. This one. Okay. And we told you why 195. Because as God said over this 19, the 19th Sphenic number is 195. Okay. 538 composite happens to be 658. These are old stuff I'm just repeating for you. 538 non-Chen prime is 9127. 2747 composite is 3200. Surah 3 has 200 verses. 2747 composite happens to be 2747 is, can you fix it here, the index of 2747 is 2346. 2346 is the number of verses from 1-1 to 1998. 1998 composite also happens to 2346. And the 19th permutation of 2346 is 6234. And 6234 is the total number of numbered verses in the Quran. Okay? Can you imagine this? Okay. So today we know why these things are having these numbers that they have. So if you think about it, you are basically surrounded by the Word of God. Okay. We were talking about nutritional, needs of human beings. The spiritual needs are a lot more important for the human beings than nutritional stuff. That's why in a couple of months we are going to start fasting. Okay? Puts you in charge of your body. Okay? So which tells you that what you live by is the Word of God. That's what you live by. Not by bread. And these are the words of God that we live by. Okay? Anyway, okay, so I'll stop here and we'll finish.